Hey friends! The steps I'm going to explain today come from technicians who have years of experience working at this well-known appliance repair shop, so don't worry, we're going to fix it. A few days ago, a customer brought in their washing machine showing the E6 code and usually says something like, "The washer won't spin and makes a strange noise." In our shop, we know this code indicates a communication problem between the main board and the motor, or a fault in the speed sensor. That's why the first thing the technicians do is check for objects trapped in the drum or any blockages that could force the motor, because even something simple can trigger the error. At the same time, many customers mention, everything looked normal, but E6 still appeared, which gives us a clear clue. Loose wires or dirty connectors are more common than you might think. The technicians check every connection, clean the contacts, and make sure everything is secure, because even a small bad connection can confuse the sensor and trigger the error without any real damage to the motor. On the other hand, the motor speed sensor, tachometer, is another frequent cause. Shop technicians check the signal from the sensor and verify the motor's continuity. If we detect any irregularity, we replace the part, as LG bulletins confirm that a defective sensor can repeatedly cause the E6 code. Additionally, some customers say, "E6 appeared when I washed just a few items." This tells us that load balance and motor resistance also play a role. In the shop, we recommend not overloading the washer or washing very small loads without adjusting the program, because this can trigger the motor protection and cause the error.